Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm here in Bed Bath & Beyond, and they have a lot of Christmas items out, guys. I'm going to start on this table right here. They have this gold reindeer right here for $14.99. They have these gold trees right here. They light up. They're $24.99. They also have the red ones as well. They have this red truck right here for $39.99. And they have these little lanterns down here. Lanterns with ornaments, and they light up. And these are $24.99. They also have these large silver ones right here for $59.99. Wood lanterns with decor. And they light up. Light up there. They have this 31-piece porcelain LED Winter Village battery operated. And it doesn't have a price on it from what I see. They have these silver and gold trees right here. They don't have prices. Let's see. The silver one is $59.99. And the gold one is, and they actually light up as well, guys. That's what it looks like. These are $29.99. They have these 6-foot garlands right here in silver. And they have some wreaths down there. The garlands are $29.99. Everything is battery operated now. Very nice. All right, so they have all of these ornaments right here. Noel, Believe, Enjoy. All of these are $6.99. They have these galvanized Merry Christmas ones for $6.99. The ones with the Christmas trees. I see the reindeers. They have this tree garland here. These are $12.99. They have these set of 2 Christmas trees right here for $12.99. They have the reindeer that's sitting down for $14. Also the one that is standing up, he's $14.99 as well. They have some of the scented candles, maple bark. These are $14.99. They have candles, cranberry apple and clove, and they have crushed evergreen pine. These are $12.99. They have sweet buttercream and vanilla, and they also have crushed evergreen and pine. These ones are $12.99. And they have winter mint and spruce. These are $7.99. And they also have that one right there as well. They have these little wooden reindeers right here, potpourri, for $29.99. More potpourri right here for $14. And they have a set of 8 glass ornaments right here. These are $14. And they also have the silver ones right here, silver and gold. These are $14.99 as well. All right, so more ornaments right here. They have these red reindeers for $3.99. They have the gold ornaments right here, 3. They have the red truck here. This one is $4.99. This ornament right here is $4.99. All of the round ornaments are $3.99. They have the Santa going down the chimney ornament, $6.99. They have this one right here, $6.99. The bell is going for $3.99. They have the pine cones right here. They are $3.99. And you have those little reindeers right here. They are going for $4.99. Over here, guys, they have gnomes for days. They have this bigger gnome right here. He is going for, let's see if I can find the price of him. I don't actually see a price of the gnomes. They have these guys right here. And they have these ones in the bag here that says days until Christmas. So I'm assuming it has the numbers to it. We have these table decors right here, known for the holidays. These are $3.99. We have these soap dispensers right here. They have these snowman, and they light up, guys. The LED, they light up. Doesn't have a price on these. They also have the truck. More of the gnomes here. They have the set of 3 pre-lit gift boxes down here. And they have the glass spheres with micro lights. Let's see what it does. It says try me. Oh, it lights up. These are $29.99. All right, so they have the green trees up here. They have the small, medium, and large. These are $7.99. The larger ones are $9.99, and they also have silver and gold as well. The silver ones are $12.99, and the gold ones are $9. They have a set of 2 marble stocking hangers here for $9.99, and they have the stocking hangers here. These are $9.99. They have that believe sign right there. Let's see, $12.99. And guys, they have tons and tons of stocking hangers here, as you can see. They also have traditional tree ribbon here in different prices of those. They have this battery operated ice crystal wreath right here for $29.99, and it lights up. They have this Santa tree lighting truck right here, and this is what it looks like. Guys, more stocking holders. They have these ones right here. You get a set of 2. And these are, doesn't have a price on these. They have a lot of the stockings down here. They have this one right here with the penguin for $12.99. And they have this one with the polar bear, $12.99. They have this little table decor right here. It has a little house, joy, and the little sleigh with trees, and it actually lights up. It says, all right, they have these candle holders right here. These are $12.99. They have more candles here. These are $12.99, sand and fog, and it has joy on the top. Here's one right here. It says holiday berry. They have these little pigs right here. These little holiday pigs, $19.99. They have these little characters right here, these little birds, and they are going for $5.99. So they have a lot of these. And they have the little squirrels. All of the squirrels are $9.99. They have the candle holders here. Those are really pretty. Those are $16.99. And they have these ones right here. All right, guys, more ornament stocking hangers right here. These are very neat. It has an ornament on the top. They have the Santa Claus here, and he is going for $19.99. And the ornament stocking hangers are $24.99, guys. They have this soap dispenser right here, Mickey and Minnie, $19.99. And they have candles for days. Very nice candles. I see these tree skirts right here. Those are $39.99. They have traditional snowflake stockings right here for $12.99. This black and red check. All of those. They have those cardinal hurricanes, those candle holders right there for $24.99. They have this lightning 6-inch lantern right here. And let's see what the price of it is. $19. They have this tree right here, this gold tree. It actually lights up. Real flame affected candle. $14.99 for that. They have this right here, this candle holder. It's 3. You get a set of 3 for $19.99. They have the sleigh right there, tree form, for $34.99. Alright guys, so as you can see, they have a wall of wreaths here in different ones, different colors. I see this one right here, that is $29.99. They have this one right here for $29. So pretty much all of these are $29.99. That gold one right there. They have this white one right here for $39. It actually lights up. It lights up just a little bit. And they have these trees down here. They light up as well. They also have some pillows up here. Let It Snow, $24.99. They have this one right here for $24. They have more tree skirts right here. These are going for $24.99. They look like jackets, but they're actually Christmas tree skirts. Alright guys, so they have the monogram, the Christmas ornaments here, and these actually light up. They light up on the inside, and the price of these are $16.99. These are the ones that looks like the ones at Kirkland's, but I think Kirkland's ones are a little bit bigger than these are. They have these trees right here. What are these? These are pre-lit traditional frosted berry bushes here, and they don't have prices on these, but they actually light up. They have those. They have this Heritage Home sleigh right here, holiday sleigh with 3 LED candles. Doesn't have a price. They have these gold star tree toppers here, $14.99. They have this Starburst one right here. It lights up. The price of it is $19. They have this tree topper right here in gold for $19. Everything pretty much lights up this year, guys. They have, what is this right here? This is the Little Elf gift wrap cutter. That's neat. Instead of going to like a department store, you can wrap your own Christmas presents with this gift wrap cutter here. And the price of it is $5.99. They have these porch trees right here. This is what they look like for $69.99. And they have the traditional Christmas tree, 5 foot, for $99. And what are these right here? These are scented ornaments, fur. And they have them in different colors. They have the berry wreaths right here for, a lot of these things don't have prices, but this one actually lights up. They have the different garlands. Actually, guys, the berry wreath is $29.99. And they have the door garlands right here for $19.99. And they have the monogram stockings right here. These are $12.99. They have a lot of them. Alright guys, so they have the Santa here with his shorts on. He's at the beach or at the Bahamas somewhere. He's $19.99. They have the Santa, which lights up, the snowman. I always get these Santa Claus and the snowman. I always get those mixed up. But he is $19.99. They have the stocking holders. They have the starfish. All of these are $9.99. They have the snowman. They have the table decor right here, Joy. This is going for $7.99. These wreaths right here. This one right here is going for $24.99. And as you can see, it has the little shells and the boats and things like that on there. They have the Christmas ornaments right here. Christmas tree ornaments, the letters. All of these are $4.99. They have these Christmas trees with baskets here. These are $16.99. They have a lot of stocking hangers, guys. They have this marble tree right here. I think I showed this one earlier for $9.99. What is this right here? This is a gold Starburst tree topper here. $7.99. They have this candle holder right here with the snowman, and it actually lights up. They have the Christmas tree ornaments here. Let's see what the price of these are. That's what they look like. They're $14.99. And you have the gnomes down here. They have the hat that counts down to Christmas. The gnomes are going for $29.99. This is what they look like. More ornaments right here. These ones are $19. The red ones are $19. They have the Christmas tree ornaments in this little container for $16. All of these ones on this row right here are $8.99. The silver ones as well. And the reds. Down here they have a Christmas tree ornament set right here for $14. You get a lot of ornaments in that one little box. They also have these LED light up trees here, guys. Look at those. And let's see here. It says try me and it lights up. Those are $19.99. They have the knit stockings right here for $21. Actually $12.99. They have them this. We have this right here. These are $12.99. You have the decor trees right here. It's a set of 3. We have these little houses right here. This little town, the bottle brush trees. Here they are right here in different colors. And they're all going for $2.99. They have the bigger ones right here for $3.99. And of course they have some white Christmas stockings here, plush stockings here. Those are $12.99. And they have that plush tree skirt down there for $39.99. Alright guys, look how cute these little wreaths are. They're with the Santa head and the legs at the bottom. These are $24.99. They have the ornament wreaths right here for $19.99. Those are really cute. And I'm just going to make my way around here. They have the gingerbread houses right here for $9.99. They have the Lindor chocolates right here. They're out. They are $7.99. They have Ghirardelli. All those. They have some of the LED outdoor mats, guys. These mats actually light up. And when you step on them, they make noise. And they are going for $19.99. It says Merry Christmas on the front. They have some more of these porch trees right here. Pre-lit LED porch trees for $69.99. Alright guys, so I just popped into Bed Bath & Beyond to see what they have to offer. As you can see, they're still putting things out. But I want to thank you again so much for stopping by my channel again today, guys. If you're new to my channel, hello and welcome. My name is Miss Queen Bee. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, share, comment, like. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get alerts each and every time I upload. Thank you guys so much for stopping by my channel again today. And I hope to see you guys again real soon. Bye, guys. I wanted to show you guys this Whimsy holiday decor set right here, 6-piece. And that is $39.99. But I love those lanterns right there with the ornaments on the inside and the red truck. But thanks so much, guys, for stopping by my channel, and I hope to see you guys again real soon. Bye, guys.